So let's click on the menu for the customers. So here we've got sales journal, worksheet, individual accounts, summary age analysis, monthly statements, customer ledger, special reports, and pivot report. How do the customers update? So they update from sales invoicing. So once an invoice is created and it's posted to the ledger, it's now in status C. It will update the customer's account. To reduce the customer account, it's through the bank account. So if customers pay, we debit in the bank, we credit in the customers, reducing the customers. That's the second way to update customers. The third way is a sales journal, where we go straight to the customer and we just do an adjustment, either increasing the customer or reducing the customer. Let's look at the worksheet. Periods 1 to 12. Okay, once again, the date is the date of the transaction, invoice date, the date that the customer paid, or the date of the adjustment. Under the source, we have codes B for bank, S for sales journal, invoicing, and SJ if it's an adjustment. Number is the invoice number, deposit number. PR is the period. GL code, okay, it's normally sales, but you could be selling to any GL code or allocating any GL code. C code is the customer code, and there we see all the customers. R code inventory, A code is activity, the name of the customer or the transaction. What is the debits and credits? Okay, there's our solid line, there's our T account. So on this side is the debtor side, against the code AD01, and the contra side is VAT and the general ledger code. Within the worksheet, you can filter on any one of the fields. If I want to look up a certain customer, let's say HG01, HG02, I'll get all their transactions for the 12 month. If I want to view, let's say, sales greater than 10,000, and there I have a list of 86 sales to this customer where the value, excluding the VAT, is greater than 10,000. Okay, once the customer has been updated from the invoicing, the bank or the journal, we can go in and we can look at an individual account or a summary age analysis. Let's look at the individual account. So I'll open up and give a list of all the customers. Let's put HG02. Finds it, say OK. Period number, let's go 10 to 12. And we'll see what's in that customer's account for those periods. So we have an invoice 1229, 1235, 1237 and 1239, totaling 977,000, of which the last two are in current, period 12, and the ones before are in period 11. Now you can print it. You can look at the details, which is all the transactions, and you can link PDF files to it. Under age analysis, now this is the worksheet grouped by customers with their totals, with the aging totals. You can see HG02 again, balance outstanding due by HG02 is 977,307.75. If I double click, I can select the periods and I'll see the individual account. Previous, you can look at another supplier. Okay, the customer statements, monthly statements. So if I want to send out statements to the customers, select statements. You can do an individual one, you can do all the statements, you can send it straight to PDF. If I say 10 to 12, I want it for 28th of Feb 2023. Just want HG02, I want to view the PDF, view it and then PDF it. So there's the statement, the outstanding invoices, date 28th of Feb, and with the aging at the bottom, I can either PDF it or print it. If you leave the codes blank, it will start at the first customer and run through to the last customer. Clear codes, PDF it, and it will write it into the PDF file. Okay, the other option is customer ledger. What the ledger is all the transactions of all the customers grouped by the customer code. Period 1 to 12. And there you see ARD 01, balance is 0, AS001 is 0, 0, 0, 0, and there's CC01 has a balance of 337,469.59. If I do a summary, I'll get the balances. And there's once again HG02. Another option is some special reports. So there are a lot of special reports for customers. We can see summaries and customer reports, rep reports, debtors matching reports, gross profits, etc. You can also get a pivot report. So it's taking the worksheet, pivoting from period 1 to 12, giving you the pivot fields on the right, which you can slice and dice. If I want just to know the sales by period, select multiple items, unclick the bank, and you will get from period 1 to 12 what are the total sales, and all the way the total after period 12 of 21,318,930. If you double click on any one of these numbers, if I double click on that, I will see all the transactions from the worksheet that make up that total. Click on pivot, click on previous,